an unusual weather pattern for the middle of summer will be unfolding over the next 6 to 10 days, and we're watching it closely here in the WRUF Weather Center. I'm UF meteorologist Jeff Hoffman. This is going to bring us active weather, even more active than what's typical for our rainy season. Let me show you the jet stream. Typically in the summer months, it's well removed from Florida to the north, all right? And this is why much of the country, of course, warms up. The jet stream tends to separate the warm air to the south and the cooler air to the north. Watch how this buckles over the weekend into early next week. This is something we only see normally in the winter months or in the spring and autumn months, not in the middle of summer. This is an unusual trough in terms of how far south it's going to dive by Sunday and Monday. And it's actually going to hang out here for several days or maybe drift back to the west. And as high pressure strengthens over in the Atlantic, that clockwise motion around the high, the counterclockwise motion around the area of low pressure will continue to pump in the Gulf moisture for several days, and that's going to give us higher than normal rain chances right through the 4th of July holiday. That begins on your Friday with the weak front passing through Friday. Still a good chance for thunderstorms, but notice there's a little bit of a break here right overhead on Saturday. So rain chances may go down a bit Saturday, and then the stronger front diving in across the center part of the country, digging out that trough of low pressure. That's going to be the one that really starts to pump in the moisture. Notice the darker greens here on our rain chances future track right overhead on Sunday afternoon. That's the beginning of a very active period of weather. It will kick off, though, once again on Friday, and what you're going to notice over the coming days, watch this. This is lunchtime, and by noon, cells already start developing. So it's not those late afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. They could occur earlier in the day, last longer, and be stronger than what we've seen. This is the beginning, once again, on Friday. And because of the added rain in the air and the cloud cover, temperatures won't be quite as hot over the coming days. Here's your exclusive 10-day forecast. This will include the 4th of July. And notice the rain chances on Sunday high, and they stay elevated through much of next week, only tapering off slightly by the actual holiday itself on the 4th. Highs will be in the low 90s, lows in the low to mid 70s, and rain chances will get back down to normal maybe by next weekend. Stay with WRUF for constant updates on when and where those thunderstorms will hit during this active period of weather.